I could get like 8 different colors in these, that'd be great. It's the only one I saw, but it's so soft. It's so nice feeling. That's creepy. Don't rub your boobs. Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do an exciting video. I finally decided to join the club and order from Fashionova. This is my first time ordering, so I didn't get too many items just because I know you can only get store credit if you don't like something. So I was like, I'm gonna do a small haul to begin this addiction and then continue on. So if you are interested in the pieces I got, sizing, all that good stuff, then please subscribe, hit that notification bell. I upload at least 3 times a week, so hit the bell and let's go ahead and get into this video. So first thing I got was this anything but square top. It's just a cute crop top. It was $12.60, so everything I got was pretty much under 40 bucks. I got a really cheap clothing haul, but I'm actually pretty surprised. Like, the quality is really not bad. I would compare it to like Forever 21 type style clothing, maybe a little step up, but for the price, definitely not bad. I just like simple crop tops to wear throughout the summer, just nice and easy. And I just put in some bra pads that I take out of my sports bras because I don't actually feel like wearing a bra, especially in 110 degree heat. So I just wanted stuff that was cute and simple that you could like pretty much pair with anything. And I would totally order more of these. I saw that they came with like long sleeved as well, so I was like, ooh, I don't need that right now. But for winter, this was a really good. And the material, I mean, it is see-through. You can't wear it without anything. I mean, you can, but you'll put on a show. Your ladies will be on display. But it is double lined and it is a really nice soft material. That was one thing I liked a lot about the website, was everything was like super soft. I'm sweating a bit. Yeah. Okay. Next little shirt I got was this black shirt. And this black shirt was like, let's see, how much was it? These were Crop You Out Lounge. I got the shirts in a size small just because I wasn't really sure, but this material is super soft and I just thought it was really cute. I can see myself wearing this a lot, but like so soft material, so definitely worth it. I think, yeah, it was under like 10 bucks, so yes for me. And again, I got that in a size small, and they're not like too cropped, which I like. You know, it's not like under boob crop. Like if I lift up my arms, something's gonna pop out. So I like that they're not like super crop. It's still like a good crop. I got these jeans. The jeans made me super nervous at first to order because I was like, what if shirt's going all crooked? Like sizing wise, everyone said they were super stretchy. I watched so many different videos on sizing, and I needed some new summer clothes just because like I've competed the last 3 years in fitness competitions, and so I'm literally like 20 pounds from where I was the last 3 summers. So none of my clothes fit me, which really sucks. Like some tops do, but like most of my jeans, like my ass isn't getting into those. Like it's just not happening. So no reason to be depressed about that. You shouldn't be competition size all the time. So I did get these jeans. These are the Hazy high-rise jeans, light wash, and I got them in a size 0, which I was really nervous to do. Usually right now, so I'm 5'1", no, I'm 5 foot, I'm 5 foot. I'm 5 foot, 130 pounds, and I would say usually I'm like a size 2 in jeans, but I ordered a size 0 just because everyone said they were super stretchy, and they definitely are. So they fit perfectly. Like, if you're worried, I definitely not size up in these because they will stretch. Like, I know that they're gonna stretch over time, but super comfortable, high rise, and I love the length on them. They were not too long, which for me, being short, they're usually like a puddle at the end, and these were perfect. So I really like the distressed on them. They were, how much were you? $17.49. So for jeans, not bad. I think I used the code like ship 30 or free 30 or something like that. So I got 30% off. They always have codes going on at Fashionova. So yeah, I'm really happy about these. Even if they only last like 3 months, like 17 bucks, and they fit really well, I'm very happy. Next, I got this fuzzy crop top, which I wasn't sure I was going to love because the texture, it is fuzzy. Obviously, it's called fuzzy. But it was only, let's see. Come on here. Don't touch fuzzy crop. I got a size small and it was $4.90. Like, what else could you ask for? I just wanted cute, like, throw it on. I don't care. Like, yeah. So I think it was super cute. It's not my favorite shape. It definitely has no support. I'm just grabbing my boobs here. There's no support in this top at all, so you might want to wear like a bandeau underneath if you're not comfortable. But yeah, I guess it's all like if I'm going to dinner, I don't care, you know. But don't be bouncing around. Like you can't do that. So then I got these denim shorts. They only came in a small, medium, and large. They're really cute lace up. You can like untie it a little bit or tie it really tight. So they were perfect sizing. I got the small, and because it has the tie, they fit perfectly. They're a little short, but not like too cheeky. So I like where they hit just because I am shorter. I like shorts that hit me right below the booty. So I loved these, and they were denim shorts. $19.59. But yeah, I think white shorts are like a staple for summer. And I'm finally going on vacation, so I'm happy to bring a pair of these. Last item, I got this dress. You guys have probably seen this dress a million times. I feel like it's like the Fashionova like staple. I feel like in everybody's haul, this dress is in everyone's haul. And it is the Jacqueline off-shoulder mini dress in oatmeal, 19 bucks. I am usually not a off-the-shoulder crop top type girl. Crop top, like anything really off the shoulder. I like the way it looks in other people, and I look online, I'm like, that's so cute. And then I get it and I just don't really like the way it fits me. Like my body is shaped like this. I don't have an hourglass, like I don't have hips, so it kind of makes me even more shaped like this. You know what I mean? I'm shaped like a man, essentially. Like there's no hips in here. I was born like that. I don't know. It's depressing. So yeah, I usually don't like that, and then I always feel like my arms are like finicky, and I'm like, yeah. And yeah, I just and then sometimes like the armholes are too small, and I'm like, my arm can't fit in this even though it fits my body proportion. So I did get this in an extra small though, and I actually think it's really cute. I would still like, I'm not comfortable wearing a strapless or anything without my hair down, so I would never like wear my hair up with it, but it is super comfortable. I think this could be like dressed up with a pair of boots, or you could wear like a pair of like cute sneakers and make it more casual. So I think there's a lot you can do with this, and the quality is really good. If you guys can see, it's double lined as well, so it's not see-through at all. The material is just super nice. It is a very stretchy dress, which is why I got the extra small, and it fits perfectly. So overall, my first experience with Fashionova, and the shipping was like super fast. I got it within like 4 days, and I'm in Arizona, so everything worked out really well for my first order. That like never happens to me. Usually there's like one piece in every order that I'm like, what was I thinking? Or that is not what that looked like on the model at all. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul. Let me know if you guys shop at Fashionova, your favorite pieces, and let me know where else you guys shop. I've looked into like Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo and all that stuff, and I haven't not done it yet. Like my online things right now are like Meshki. You guys know that's like my favorite boutique to shop at. This is definitely not the same quality as Meshki, but it's still really good quality and really good pricing. So yeah, that is it. If you guys have any questions, comment below, and just leave me a comment just because, okay? But anyways, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini haul. Let me know if you need to know anything, and I will let you know in the comments below. So have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. And my head's cut off. Oh, this tea, the white peach sugar-free tea from QT, is the tits. So I just put these little boob pads in here from Sports Bras that I don't use, but I swear, like they're all different sizes, because I think the dogs, no, I know the dogs steal these things. And now I have like ones with padding and ones with not padding, and I swear, they're uneven. They're uneven. This girl's a little bigger than this one, just for today. I've got my trusty little kitchen stool here that my husband got me, so I didn't have to ask him to get things off the counter, which now it is come in handy for this.